Today, I'm going to show you how to enter a loan in QuickBooks Online. For this tutorial, we're going to set up a loan account so QuickBooks can track the amount your business owes. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. Go to the top right corner and click the gear icon. Then select Chart of Accounts. This opens the list of accounts your business uses to track money, income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. At the top right, click New. Now, give the loan account a clear name. For example, you could name it Business Loan, Equipment Loan, or use the lender's name. Next, choose the account type. If the loan will be paid back over more than 1 year, choose Long-Term Liabilities. If the loan will be paid back within 1 year, choose Current Liabilities. Then, choose the detail type that best matches the loan. For a general loan, you can choose a detail type like Notes Payable or another loan-related option available in your QuickBooks account. Next, enter the unpaid balance if you are starting with an existing loan balance. Use the principal amount you currently owe, not future interest. Then, enter the date you want QuickBooks to start tracking that balance. Before saving, review the account name, account type, detail type, balance, and date. Once everything looks correct, click Save. The loan account will now appear in your chart of accounts and can show on your balance sheet under Liabilities. When you record loan payments later, you can apply the principal portion to this loan account so the balance goes down over time. Interest can be tracked separately as an interest expense. And that's how to enter a loan in QuickBooks Online in 2026.